In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install TikTok Pixel for Shopify. We'll set this up using the official TikTok app inside Shopify, so there's no custom code and everything stays synced as you run ads. Start by opening your Shopify admin. From the main dashboard, go to the Apps section in the left sidebar. In the Apps view, use the search bar and type TikTok. When you see the official TikTok app, click it to open the app listing. On the app listing page, click the button to add or install the app. Shopify will show you the permissions the app needs to connect your store with TikTok's advertising tools. Review them, then click Install to approve. If you're prompted a second time to confirm access, click Install again to continue. After a moment, the TikTok app will open inside your Shopify admin. You'll see a prompt to begin setup. Click Set Up Now to start. Depending on your store, you may see Set Up Now more than once as you move through onboarding. Go ahead and click it whenever it appears, so you can proceed to marketing setup. Next, choose Set Up Ads. This is where the TikTok Pixel is created and connected to your store automatically. No theme editing required. TikTok and Shopify handle the event installation in the background. You'll be asked to connect or select a TikTok Business Center account. The Business Center is the organization that owns your Pixel, ad accounts, and other assets. Pick the account that represents your brand so everything is kept under one roof. Then select your TikTok Ads Manager account. This is the ad account where your campaigns will run and where the Pixel will report events. Make sure you choose the correct one for your store. Now choose your data sharing level. Higher levels typically improve measurement and optimization, because more on-site events can be used to train delivery. Select the option that aligns with your privacy policy and regional requirements. Review your company information to ensure your business name, website domain, and contact details are accurate. This helps with compliance and clear account ownership. When everything looks good, click Finish Setup. Give it a moment while Shopify and TikTok finalize the connection. If any section doesn't advance, refresh the page and try again, or confirm you have the right permissions on the selected Business Center and Ads Manager accounts. You can return to the Apps section anytime, open TikTok, and manage your Pixel, data sharing, and ad settings from one place. That's it. Your TikTok Pixel is installed and ready to track product views, add to carts, and purchases so your campaigns